welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being part of this amazing family. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please, before you exit this video, take a few minutes of your precious time and hit that subscribe button. It's free of charge, and also the notification bell icon on the side, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be one of the first amazing ones to be notified. Thank you. Let's move on to today's video. Okay, this is going to be a quick and a simple recipe, and as the holiday, we're already in the holiday season, and with that saying, I want to say happy holidays to you and your amazing family. Today I'm going to be making Ghana rock buns. Okay, rock buns, you guys, if you're a Ghanaian, I guaranteed you've had rock buns before. If you were born and raised in Ghana, or if you visited Ghana, you know, the yogurts, the fan milk seller, they sell their yogurt or fan milk with rock buns, meat pie, or spring rolls. Okay, so today I'm going to make rock buns. So let me walk you through the ingredients. Okay, this is simple. So to start off, I have 4 cups of flour here, and the flour that I'm using is this pastry, this fine pastry flour from Bob Red here, Red Mill. Yeah, Bob's Red Mill. Okay, so that's what I am using. I have 4 cups of that here. I have over 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg. Okay, I have half a teaspoon of baking soda, and the baking soda is going to make the crust, you know, the outside of the rock buns soft, because usually when you get rock buns, it's hard on the outside, but this will help make it soft. Okay, and I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. All right, I have a pinch of salt here. All right, and I have half a cup, all right, which is about half a cup of butter, all right, which is about 8 tablespoons, okay, of butter here. I have 2/3 cup of milk. I'm using like evaporated milk, Ghanaian. You can use Ghanaian, ideal milk, any milk of your choice. And I have half a cup of sugar here. All right, so that is it. That's just the basic ingredient. So to start off, first of all, I'm going to add my milk to my sugar. I want to dissolve it in there. I want to dissolve the milk in the sugar. I'm going to stir this around. So I'm going to let this sit, you know, while I move on. So now let's add the dry ingredients. Okay, so we can add baking powder, baking soda. Nathaniel is being busy here. You can add salt, okay, and your nutmeg. All right, I'm going to use my I'm going to mix this all together, and then I'm going to add the butter. Okay, the butter. Nathaniel, guys, look, he's like right behind me. He's like, yeah, he's playing. So what I'm doing right now, I'm mixing after mixing the dry ingredients, you want to go ahead and add your butter, okay, and then you're going to mix the butter into the flour or the dry ingredient until it becomes like crumbly, you know. So that is what I'm doing right now.
You're gonna need more butter.
So this is the consistency you're looking for, okay, like breadcrumbs, okay? And I used 3/4 cup of butter, okay? So we will have everything, we'll have the ingredient in the description, so don't worry about it if you're confused. So now I'm going to add my milk and sugar. So I have a 1/4 cup of evaporated milk extra, okay, with about 2 tablespoons of cold water. Mixing it in here. I'm going to add this on here. Also the consistency that I'm trying to achieve. This will be so much better if you use a dough mixer. So the batter is ready, okay? You don't want it too liquidy, okay? And you don't want it too hard. You want like this much, okay? See the consistency? It's like you're making banku, the right softness that you want for your banku. So I have my muffin pans. You can just scoop this onto like a regular baking sheet lined with parchment paper, but I'm going to go ahead and use muffin pans because it will make it easy. So I have an ice cream like scooper here, greased. So I'm going to just scoop, drop. There you go. Scoop, drop, scoop, Okay. So the first ones are ready to go in the oven, and I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes, okay, until they are nice and golden brown and they smell yummy. All right. So this just came out of the oven, okay, and we baked it for a total of 15 minutes. Yes. I'm going to take one out. It's still pretty hot, okay. I'm going to cut this with a knife. So you can see it is soft on the inside. And the crust is not that hard. See? Oh, this is good. Sorry, guys. This is good. It's not too sweet. Like, this is the perfect amount of sugar that I would want in a rock band, okay? This is good. So this is it. This is so good. I'm telling you, this is not going to last till next week when Prince and Junior come over. So I think I'm gonna finish this and make another batch over the weekend or next week. So let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up. Okay, if you've not subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button. I will have the exact measurement in the description box, okay? And this is Ghana rock buns, not rock buns, okay? It's rock, it's not stone, so it doesn't have to break your head, okay? So it's nice and soft. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye.